Hi guys, welcome to this video and I hope you all are doing amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some top summer essentials that every woman should know about. In case you're not aware, you are missing out guys.
You know guys, like summers में कितना ज़्यादा important हो जाता है to take care of your skin.
Because otherwise, you know, like it leads to pigmentation and lots of spots and acne and we don't need that. So yeah, I think Sirona has lots and lots of personal care, skincare products that I'm going to be talking in this video. So let's start. So first up guys, I have this very cute little bottle. This is Sirona Underarm Roll-On.
So you know guys, like summers में like you anyway sweat a lot in your underarm.
So it definitely causes some bad odor, some pigmentations, and to avoid all of that, we have this. And it just do wonders, I'm telling you. Because this deodorant roll-on has like some natural prebiotics, which is great, helps for pigmentation, removes all the bad odors, and it's perfect to use. So guys, जब भी आप ये roll-on use करोगे ना, so shake your bottle well before you use it, and then clean your underarms. You can just clean it with water and pat it dry. And finally, apply the roll-on onto your underarms, and this is it. Like, this is all what you need.
So with this, you get
no more bad odor, and the fragrance retention is great guys. It lasts up to 48 hours, which is amazing. And of course, it has natural prebiotics, very safe for the skin. Also helps with pigmentation, as well as it also gives a cooling sensation. So as soon as you like apply on your armpits, it gives a very soothing effect to your armpits, which is perfect in summer. So definitely a must try.
second product is Life Changer guys, and this is Sirona's underarm sweat pads.
So it comes in this sort of packaging guys, and it has like 24 pads inside. Guys, you know, like underarm sweating is a big problem for all the girls out there, and we need a better solution for it. These are like garment liners which act as a sweat shield, and guys ये ना बहुत easy होते हैं यूज करने में, तो कोई भी इसको बहुत आराम से यूज कर सकता है, और ये बिल्कुल जितना भी स्वेट होता है ना उसको बहुत अच्छे से लॉक कर लेता है. And then it just like no bad odor, no embarrassment, and nothing at all. And it's just so smooth as well, so it's very soft and very thin layer. Also easy to carry because it's very lightweight. And guys, इसका जो absorbent quality होता है ना, like it just so good, lock the sweat perfectly, तो वो इधर उधर नहीं जाता बिल्कुल भी, and it just works very effectively. बहुत ही soft है, so you don't have to worry about any rashes on your skin. And the last advantage is the best advantage because it can be used for both men as well as women. So इसको कोई भी बहुत आराम से use कर सकता है. And इसको use करना is very easy. All you have to do is just peel from the paper packaging.
Stick to the part of your garment where you want to make it sweat proof,
and peel it off post usage and throw it in the bin, and that's it. All in all, I would say that Sirona has some wide range of, you know, women's skincare products. They are super great and they are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, as well as on Myntra. Also, you can purchase them from Sirona website. I will link everything in my description box below, so don't forget to check the description box guys. And this was it for the video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.